Hi, I'm Tielin, the developer of the app FBLA Chapter Manager. This application can ease the FBLA chapter management, build strong connection between chapters, get information about the competition easier without visiting the website, and create a sense of belonging for the participants. Since I'm not the chapter president, I need to get more knowledge about the chapter management. In this way, I contacted the Shanghai regional president and interviewed her about some details of the chapter's works. The records of the interview are presented in the PowerPoint. In this case, I get more information about the FBLA chapter except from the information on the official website. And this enables me to satisfy most of my target clients' needs. Then it comes to the stage of developing the mobile application. Based on the requirements and some suggestions provided by the chapter president, I have listed all the functions in need in an Excel form, such as joining FBLA, calendar, Q&A, and so on. The next stage for my developing is designing a prototype for this application. And I used a website called Modal to create the appearance of user interfaces of the application, which enabled me to confirm all the details of my application. FBLA Chapter Manager is an iOS application, so I developed it through Xcode with Swift. And the images presented in the slides are the prototype and my program. To give a thorough demonstration of the application, I will introduce each function of Chapter Manager along with checklist. The first three are about FBLA, calendar, and competitive and current events. As shown in the picture, when the user clicks on the button About, it will show contents accord with FBLA homepage. This enables some new chapter members to know more about FBLA and also be clear about their jobs. The calendar can include all the important dates about FBLA. And for the events, when the member click on the events that they want to attend, they can get more specific information about this event and they can sign up this event by clicking the button down right. Chapter members can check the calendar and schedule their preparation process, and the event brings a lot of amazing chances for the members to explore themselves and learn more knowledge. Then it comes to the links to FBLA websites, contact, and Q&A. When the members click on the website button, it will direct to the official websites of FBLA in the Safari browser. And the contact, it enables users to send an email to FBLA. And for the Q&A downside, it includes all the frequently asked questions which I got from the official website. And when the users met some problems, they can check the Q&A part first. And if their questions have not been solved by it, they can just contact the official committee and report their questions. As you may notice from the button, there's a bar which has three buttons: Home, Chapter, and Profile. So clicking on each one will direct you to the related page, and all the functions I have stated above is in the home page. And for the next is the chapter page. If you have not joined any chapter yet, you can click on Join and choose the chapter that you belong to from the list or search for it. After you have become a member of a chapter, you can see all the details about this chapter, like school, address, and members. So, moreover, since the chapter will have meeting very often to discuss some important information, I've added a function about setting a meeting and tracking attendance of this meeting. Only the chapter president can set the meeting, and they need to specifically set the time for meeting and telling their members what the meeting is about. President can check their members' attendance to make sure their preparation is ongoing, and it can also keep reminding the members to keep working on FBLA content. For the personal profile page, there will not show any information unless you have logged in or signed up. So there's a sign-in page at both of the profile and homepage. If this is a new member, he or she needs to click on sign up and fill in all the information required and then sign in with his or her accounts. So last but not least, The feedback page of reporting bugs that user found can help me to improve the application and enhance the usability of the application. The privacy policy placed at the bottom of the sign-in page give credits to the application, and the users can believe that I will protect their information and their privacy have been well protected on the official website. By the end of this application, I have done both alpha and beta testing to make sure this app can run smoothly in different circumstances without noticeable bugs. So since it is an app that's currently only for iOS users, I have asked some of my friends to run it on their iPhones. So in the first and third trials, there may have some bugs like they cannot sign up. And then I figure out that I forgot to send an alert when the user password is shorter than 8 characters. So the user don't know their operational faults and they cannot fix that. Thanks for the testing, I have already fixed all the bugs that happened during the alpha and the beta testing. And if there are more bugs occurred when the application is actually in use, the user can just report the bugs to me through the feedback page, and I will fix that on time to not affect the chapter management. So this is the user libraries I have used to develop my application. And thanks for listening.